Well, Vega, we like to talk Rutgers, and the Rutgers Scarlet Knights football team is one of those marginally above average teams this year. But we're going to play this year our bowl game in the New Era Pinstripe Bowl. I'll make sure you include New Era when you're talking about it. The Pinstripe Bowl, which was a game basically...
The clothing line, New Era?
The clothing line, yep, sports clothing line. A game that was created for Rutgers. Let's be honest, the game itself was created for Rutgers. Big East tie-in, located in the Northeast, plays at Yankee Stadium. Come on, I mean, what else can you want? They want a team like Rutgers there. They're going to get some locals in there. Only problem is it's December 30th during the day. Might as well have, could have a foot of snow on the ground while everybody else is playing in Georgia and New Orleans and Phoenix and Miami for their bowl games. But we're playing a pretty good name, a decent team in Iowa State.
It's not the Belco Bowl.
No. Which is kind of ridiculous. But the point being is we have a fair competitor here. I wanted Texas A&M, I wanted Missouri, but we got Iowa State. And who's having a fair season? 6-6. But I think, regardless of that, they play in the Big 12. It's going to be pretty tough for the Scarlet Knights against Iowa State.
Who gave Oklahoma State their only loss?
I mean, that's their claim to fame. As you know, double overtime game there. And they have not won a game since that victory over Oklahoma State.
And hopefully Rutgers can keep that going.
Hopefully Rutgers will keep that going, even though they got shellacked. But hey, you know what? They would end up with a 9-win season. I'll take that.
So Rutgers got beat by Connecticut.
Right.
After the big win against
Cincinnati. Yeah, beat up on Cincinnati.
So big win against Cincinnati, lost against Connecticut, then won against who?
No, that's it. That was the last
game of the season?
Last game of the season. So they were off this past week. And, they had, after the Cincinnati win, they had visions of the Orange Bowl. And now they're going to have visions of the new, I'm sure they'll get new T-shirts from New Era for the Pinstripe Bowl.
What will be their record when they beat Iowa State?
They'll be 9-4, which everyone likes to say, a 10-win season is the big number. But, hey, 9-4 is 9-4. It's well over 500, positive.
Put an extra $1 million in the old student athletes fund.
That's the one thing about it is that coming to these bowl games costs a lot of money. It doesn't cost a lot of money when you bus your kids up from New Brunswick, New Jersey, up to the Bronx. Yeah. But if you had to fly them to Miami, that would be a few grand.
Yeah, and I don't think Baruch College is going to be any good to make the Pinstripe Bowl. So I think the Rutgers team has a pretty good shot at it.
Let's go 9-4, Scarlet Knights.
Couple years.